Hi, welcome back to A to Z Vocabulary, where we learn 10 new words every day, one letter at a time. Today is day 4, and we're diving into the delightful and dynamic letter D. Let's build that brain power with today's first word. Let's go. Our first word of the day is diligent. Diligent means someone who works hard, stays focused, and gives their best effort every time. It's an adjective. That means it describes a person or how someone behaves. Now let's break it down. A diligent person doesn't quit when something gets tricky. They don't rush through work or do things halfway. They take their time and stay committed until it's done right. Whether it's studying, cleaning, or building something, diligence is about showing responsibility and effort. Let's use it in a sentence. She is a diligent student who always finishes her homework on time. She's not the type to skip steps or leave things for later. She works hard and stays on track. Here's another example. The team was diligent in preparing for the science fair. That tells us they didn't wait until the last minute. They practiced, they planned, and made everything look amazing. Our second word for today is delicate. It's an adjective. Delicate means something that is light, soft, gentle, or easy to break or damage. So what does it really mean when we say something is delicate? Think of a butterfly wing, a flower petal, or even someone's feelings. All of those are delicate. They're not strong or rough. They need to be treated gently, or they might break, tear, or get hurt. Let's use it in a sentence. Please be careful. That vase is very delicate. This means the vase is easy to break, maybe made of glass or fine porcelain. So don't bump it or drop it. Want another sentence? How about, she used a delicate brush to paint tiny flowers on the card. This shows us delicate can describe something small and fine, like a tiny paintbrush used for detailed work. It's about being careful and precise. Our third word today is disguise. Disguise means to change the way something or someone looks so they can't be recognized. As a verb, it means to hide something or someone's true identity. As a noun, it refers to the thing used to hide it, like a costume, a mask, or even a fake emotion. Sometimes we disguise how we feel, and other times we use a disguise, like in a costume party or a secret mission. Let's use it in a sentence. Her disguise was so good that nobody recognized her at the costume party. In this case, disguise is a noun, the thing she wore to hide her real identity. It could be a wig, a mask, anything that made her look different. Here's another. He disguised his sadness with a smile. This time, disguise is a verb. It's the action of hiding his true feeling. He's actually sad inside, but he's covering it up with a smile. Our next word is disrupt. It's a verb, which means it's something someone does. It means to interrupt or disturb something so it stops working smoothly. When you disrupt something, you're interrupting it. Maybe by making noise, causing a delay, or just throwing things off track. It means breaking the flow of what's supposed to happen. Let's use it in a sentence. The student disrupted the class by talking loudly. Here, disrupted means the student interrupted the learning. The class couldn't continue smoothly because of the noise. Let's look at another example. The power cut disrupted the online exam. Imagine you're about to hit submit on a test, and suddenly the power goes out. That's a major disruption. Our fifth word today is drowsy. Drowsy means feeling sleepy or half asleep, not fully awake and alert. Drowsy is an adjective. That means it's used to describe someone or something. In this case, someone who is sleepy. Let's use it in a sentence. He felt drowsy after staying up too late studying. That means his eyes were heavy, his brain was slow. He was so sleepy because he didn't get enough rest. Here's another sentence. The warm sun made her feel drowsy on the bus ride home. Imagine sitting by the window, the sun shining on your face, and you just want to close your eyes. That's drowsy. It's time for word 6. The word is deny. Have you ever been caught doing something and said, "No, I didn't do it"? That's what it means to deny something. Deny means to refuse to accept or allow something. Deny is a verb, which means it shows an action. When someone denies something, they are taking action by refusing or saying no to it. You can deny a mistake, deny a request, or even deny your own feelings. It's a powerful word, and how you use it depends on the situation. Let's use it in a sentence. He denied eating the last cookie. That means he said he didn't do it, even if he actually did. Let's see another sentence. His mother denied him permission to go outside until he finished his homework. That means his mom said no. He couldn't go out to play until his homework was done. Our seventh word for today is defend. Have you ever stood up for yourself or someone else when things felt unfair? That brave action is called defending. Defend means to protect someone or something from harm, danger, or unfair treatment. Defend is a verb. That means it's an action word. When you defend, you're doing something to protect, either using words or actions. You can defend your friend, defend your goal in football, or even defend your opinion in a debate. Let's use it in a sentence. He defended his younger brother from the bullies. That means he stood up for his brother. He protected him when others were being mean. Here's another example. The goalkeeper defended the goal and saved the game. Here, defend means stopping the ball from going in the net, just like in football or any sport. Today's eighth word is super bright and exciting. The word is dazzling. Dazzling means very bright, beautiful, or amazing to see. It can also mean something that's so impressive, it grabs everyone's attention. Dazzling is an adjective. That means it describes a noun. It tells us what something looks like or feels like, especially if it's shiny, bright, or wonderful. It can describe lights, clothes, smiles, or even someone's talent, if it stands out and shines. Let's use it in a sentence. She wore a dazzling dress to the party. That means her dress was so bright and beautiful. Everyone looked at her the moment she walked in. Let's see another example. The fireworks show was absolutely dazzling. Here, dazzling means the fireworks were so colorful and amazing that everyone said, "Wow." We're almost at the end of today's list, and this next word is a deep one. The word is despair. Despair means a strong feeling of sadness or hopelessness, when it feels like there's no way out or nothing will get better. Despair can be used as both a noun and a verb. As a noun, it means the feeling itself, and as a verb, it means to lose hope. Let's use it in a sentence as a noun. He was full of despair after losing his pet. That means he felt very, very sad, like he couldn't smile or feel okay for a while. Let's use it in a sentence. As a verb, she despaired when her team lost the championship. This means she was so upset she felt like giving up, like the dream was over. Okay, friends, we've made it to our final word for the day, and it's a really important one. The word is dependable. Dependable means someone or something you can count on, trustworthy, responsible, and always there when needed. Dependable is an adjective. It describes a person, a friend, a worker, even a tool, anything you can rely on. Let's use it in a sentence. She's a dependable friend who always keeps her promises. That means you can trust her. If she says she'll help, she will. Here's another sentence with dependable. A dependable car will start every time you need it. Even machines can be dependable, like a car that works well no matter what. And that's it for today. 10 amazing words starting with the letter D. All right, vocabulary champs, it's time to test your memory. Let's see how well you remember the words we learned today that all start with the letter D. You'll hear a question and see 4 options. Choose the one that fits best. Ready? Let's go. Which word means to stop something from continuing? A. Defend. B. Drowsy. C. Disrupt. D. Delight. The correct answer is C. Disrupt. Which word describes someone who works carefully and doesn't give up easily? A. Diligent. B. Drowsy. C. Defend. D. Deny. The correct answer is A. Diligent. What does drowsy mean? A. Feeling nervous. B. Feeling wide awake. C. Feeling sleepy or tired. D. Feeling strong. The correct answer is C. Feeling sleepy or tired. Which word means to protect someone or something from harm? A. Drowsy. B. Defend. C. Delicate. D. Deny. The correct answer is B. Defend. What does disguise mean when used as a verb? A. To feel sleepy. B. To change appearance to hide identity. C. To dance in joy. D. To clean something up. The correct answer is B. To change appearance to hide identity. And that's the end of today's quiz. So, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Was it 3 out of 5? 5 out of 5? If you missed one, no worries. Just rewind and review. We'll be back tomorrow with 10 brand new words, starting with the letter E. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a day on A2Z Vocabulary, where we learn 10 words every day, one letter at a time. See you next time.